Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen beautiful example on integration, and today example is integration 2 minus sin x divided by 2 plus cos x dx. If you want the simple solution, to watch video till at the end. Okay, let's do start and solve this example integration in simple way and simple steps. Okay, let's do start. Let I is equal to given integral 2 minus sin x and divided by 2 plus cos x dx. Now here we observe I can here the separate the term in numerator. That means this is the we can write as this is 2 upon 2 plus cos x minus we can write minus sin x divided by also 2 plus cos x bracket complete and dx. Now I here notation given, suppose this is integral I1 minus this is integral suppose I2, and this is suppose let equation 1, and this is the I. Now we can solve the equation 1 by 1, and suppose this is let I1 is equal to integral as given 2 upon this is 2 plus cos x and dx. Okay, now here we can substitute here method use. Okay, here substitute t is equal to suppose tan x by 2, and this function is the differentiate with respect to x. Then we get here dt is equal to sec square x by 2 1 by 2 and dx. Now we can simplify this term. This is 2 dt, and we can write here 1 plus tan square x by 2 in the value of sec square x by 2 replace here. Okay, and dx. Therefore we get here dt is equal to 1 plus t square. Okay, 1 plus t square 2 dt and here dx. Okay, and we want to dx is equal to we can write as 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay, yes. Now this integral becomes as suppose this is the second integral. Okay, therefore equation second becomes I is equal to integration. This is the dx is equal to we can write here 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, and here also into I is equal to here 2 already is the constant term. Okay, and divide by 2 plus, and we know that cos x is equal to we can related formula for 1 minus tan square x by 2 and divide 1 plus tan square x by 2, and we can write we know that t is equal to tan x by 2. Then this equation becomes 1 minus t square plus 1 plus t square. There I can put here cos x is equal to 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square bracket complete. Yes, got it. And therefore this equation we can write as 2 into 2, that means this is the 4 integration this is the dt upon this term in multiple 2 this is the 2 plus t square, and here plus 1 minus t square, and this 1 plus t square here get cancel, and this integration we can write as 4 is the constant term dt upon this term we can write as 2 plus 2t square, then plus 1 minus t square, that means this plus 2 times t square minus t square we get here t square, and 2 plus 1 that means this is we get here plus 3. Okay, and we can find now the solution. Yes, okay, and therefore we can write the solution for I1 is equal to, therefore I1 is equal to 4 times this is the dt upon t square plus we can write as root 3 bracket square, and now I use here the formula for the integration, therefore x square plus a square, we know that this is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c is constant of integration. Okay, therefore we get here final solution, this is the 4 times into 1 upon a, that means this is the root 3, this is tan inverse x, this means this is the t. Okay, and a means this is the root 3 and plus c is constant of integration. Okay, and now back t is equal to tan x by 2, therefore this integral final solution 4 upon root 3 tan inverse and t is equal to we know that this is the tan x by 2 and divided by this is root 3 and plus c. Okay, suppose this is the c1 is constant for I1. Yes, okay, and therefore we know that the I1 value we get here the That's mean this is final solution for I1 is equal to, we get 4 by root 3 tan inverse in bracket, this is the tan x by 2 and divided by root 3 and plus c1. Okay, now we can find the I2 value. Yes, okay, therefore to find I2, therefore we know that I2 is equal to integration, this is the sin x upon 2 plus cos x and dx. Okay, now we know that the related formula for the, suppose this is the function and suppose this is f dash x, that means the derivative present, here we get formula ln, this is the f of x and plus c is constant of integration. Okay, now we observe, suppose this is the function f of x 2 plus cos x and we can find the derivative and we get here derivative minus sin x and present in the numerator. Yes, okay, therefore we get I2 is equal to, this is the minus sign and this is the ln, that means this is function 2 plus cos x and plus c, suppose c2 is a constant. Yes, okay, and therefore we get here I2 value minus ln 2 plus cos x plus c2, and now we can find the final solution. Okay, yes, now we can put I1 and I2 values in equation 1. Okay, then we get final solution I is equal to, I1 is equal to, we know that 4 by root 3 tan inverse tan x by 2 and divided by root 3 and plus, then minus here value minus, that means this is minus and minus minus, we get here plus, and we can write ln 2 plus, this is the cos x and plus c is the constant of integration. Okay, and where c is equal to c1 plus c2. Yes, okay, and this is my final solution. Yes, got it? Okay, and this is the simple solution for this given integration. Yes, okay, if you like this, then subscribe and share also video there. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yes.